Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix disappear filter and effects on TikTok account. So if your filters and effects have disappeared on your TikTok account, you cannot see it or use it, you can just follow the steps to fix it. First, you can go to your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top, go to the settings and privacy, and then here you can just scroll down, then tap on the report a problem options. Okay, in here you can also scroll down again, and on the creations in here click on the drop down, and here select this one, beauty filters effects or templates. So tap on that, and you can see this is the option. Here you can just use this one, tap on this one using filters on effects, and you can read from here. And if you encounter issues when using filter or effects, please try working through this step. So this is the step. You need to log in, and if your TikTok is not on the latest version, you need to update it first on Google Play Store or App Store. And you can also switch the internet connection between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can try to clear the app cache and restart the app. So if it's help you, you can just click on yes, but if it's not, you can just click on no. And after that, here you can click on need more help, and then you can contact the TikTok help desk directly in here. You can just type in I can find my filters or effects, and after that you can send it and wait for the response. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.